Hello students, today we will discuss some of the MCQs related to our previous current affairs videos from 1st October to 10th October as per the new pattern of CGPSC. So let's start. Our first question is, Haryali Prasar Yojana was recently in news because first statement, more than 83 lakh plants have been planted under this Yojana. Second statement is, this data is given for previous 3 years. Which 3 years? For 2019, 2020 and 2020-21. And the third statement is, under this Yojana, 50 plants to 5,000 plants are distributed to beneficiaries by Forest and Climate Department to promote agroforestry. Now the fourth statement is, farmers are also provided grant assistance for the same. So here do not select the incorrect option. First option is 1 and 2 only. Second option is 3 and 4 only. And the third option is all of the above. And the fourth option is none of the above. So here take a pause and give us your answer in the comment section below. So let's start this questions discussion. First statement for Haryali Prasar Yojana. First statement is, more than 83 lakh plants have been planted under this Yojana, which is true. This data, which data? 83 lakh plants, is given for previous 3 years. Which 3 years? For 2019, 2020 and for 2021. So this statement is also true. And the third statement is, under this Yojana, 50 plants to 5,000 plants are distributed to beneficiaries by Forest and Climate Change Department to promote agroforestry. What is agroforestry? Agroforestry is a concept in which trees are planted or cultivated along with the crops to counter deforestation. And the fourth option, so this statement is also true. And the fourth option is, farmers are also provided grant assistance for the same. How much grant is given? 2 rupees for 2 rupees per plant is given to the farmers to promote agroforestry. So this statement is also true. On the basis of our analysis, only option C is here, which is true. So our option is C. All of the above statements are true. So here it is written, do not select the incorrect option. That means we have to select the correct option. Suppose if here it is written, do not select the correct option. In that case, we have to take incorrect statement. In that case, our answer will be none of the above. So moving towards our next question, which is, consider the following statements regarding Chhattisgarh Olympics. First statement, duration, it is started from 6th October 2022 and it will last till 6th January 2023. Second statement is, competition are being organized in 2 categories at 6 different levels. And third statement is, for single category, Fugdi, Gedi Daud, Bhaura, Pitthul are included in this category. These are types of games which are included in this category. And the fourth statement is, for grouped category, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Langdi Daud, 100-meter race are included in this category. So select the correct option according to this statement. First option is 1 and 2 only. Second option is 2 and 3 only. And third option is 3 and 4th only. And last option is 1 and 4th only. So take a pause here and give us your answer in the comment section below. Now let's discuss this question for Chhattisgarh Olympics. First statement is it is started from 6th October and it will last till 6th January 2023, which is true. Second statement is competition are being organized in 2 categories at 6 different level, which is also true. And this Chhattisgarh Olympic is started from Rajiv Yuva Mitan Club. And the third statement is for single category, Fugdi, Gedi Daud, Bhaura, Pitthul are included. In this, Fugdi is true, Gedi Daud is true, Bhaura is true, but Pitthul is for grouped category. So this statement is wrong. The next and the last statement for this question is for grouped category, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Lagdi Daud and 100-meter race are included. In this statement, this 100-meter race is for single category, not for grouped category. So this statement is also wrong. So we have to select the correct option. So our first and second statement is only correct. So our option is option A. This Chhattisgarh Olympic is in news because we have to initiate or to revive our age-old tradition in Desi way. So that's all for this video. Thank you.